Have you ever wondered what exactly our webinars are all about? These are some of the things you can expect. With 14 years of military experience, Damien Patterson understands the intricacies of the system. He will teach you what the system does not, making this webinar essential for ADF members and veterans. Your cameras and mics will be muted throughout the webinar. Communication will be facilitated through the chat box. Our dedicated team will be actively monitoring and answering your messages during the webinar to ensure a smooth experience. Please note that the webinars are live sessions and not a recorded version. Be sure to attend the live event. As a special offer to all attendees, Damien offers free discovery calls. Don't miss this opportunity to explore personalised advice. Expect in-depth discussions on various topics on housing entitlements tailored to your needs as an ADF member or veteran. Hear real success stories on how you can potentially claim over $500,000 on your ADF housing entitlements when utilised correctly. Gain access to free books and invaluable advice to further enhance your understanding of property investment strategies. Be sure to mark your calendar and come prepared to engage with Damien Patterson and fellow attendees in this insightful webinar session.
Hey there, Damien here. If you've got this video, it's because you registered to watch the ADF and Veterans Property webinar. That's coming up very shortly. You'll see in the link below, in the information below, what time it is. Make sure you attend.